It's 1925. The Hotel Glendale opens in July. We just celebrated our 100th birthday. No gifts necessary. Floors 5 and 6 were hotel rooms. Floors 2, 3, and 4 were apartments and have a completely different floor plan. 2, 3, and 4 have some of the doors. 5 and 6 have all of the doors, some of the doors, all of the doors, some of the doors, all of the doors. Over time they opened up the wall between 2 hotel rooms and thus was born our junior 1-bedroom. A junior 1-bedroom apartment is a hybrid between a studio apartment and a 1-bedroom. Enjoy open concept living but with divided space to give your 2 living spaces a distinct feel and look. Because it was once 2 hotel rooms, each junior 1-bedroom has 2 doors. We never know what door we're supposed to go into. It's very confusing. To make matters worse, each apartment also has 2 numbers. This one is 514, 515. 2 hotel rooms shared the bathroom that connects through. The old hotel sink is still outside, a great little touch. The junior 1-bedroom at Glendale Flats.